What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'm making a healthy green juice with great health benefits. Guys, I did my research on these vegetables and it is an amazing result that I gathered up. You gotta check these out, guys, and do your research. The water content in these vegetables, wow, for our hydration, it will help us. Not to mention the other good stuff that it do to our body. Guys, just stick around with me. Let me show you how I make this juice.
Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cook me, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time. When you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there in the...
The water content in celery is 95%. Drink 1 cup of celery juice a day for hydration. Celery benefits is great source of vitamin and fiber. Celery is low on the glycemic index, which can help keep blood sugar in check. It contains anti-inflammatory properties that protect the body against arthritis. It also contains powerful antioxidants. Celery is full of nutrients such as potassium, calcium, vitamin, and is packed with plethora of antioxidants. The single stalk of celery contains at least 12 different antioxidants, including vitamin C, beta-carotene, and flavonoid. Celery supports a healthy digestive system and promotes regularity. Guys, celery is very important to our diet. The water content in cucumber is 95%. It contains antioxidants and it promotes hydration. It may also aid and help in weight loss. It can lower blood sugar. It can promote regularity, reduce cholesterol, and flush out toxin. Cucumber is rich in vitamin A, B, B6, vitamin C, and vitamin D. Ginger. Ginger is loaded with antioxidant, a compound that prevents stress and damaged DNA. Ginger can help your body fight off chronic disease like high blood pressure, heart disease, and stress. Wow. Guys, we got to do our own research and these stuff. I keep hearing about how good this stuff is, and I decided I'm doing my own research. And yes, I did my research, and it is shocking the health benefit of these fruits and vegetables that we are missing while we're not taking them in our diet. So guys, another one, do your research on ginger. Now we are on to spinach. The water content in spinach is 91%. Spinach is high in soluble fiber, which may boost your health. Spinach is an excellent source of many vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, C, K1, folic acid, also known as vitamin B9. Spinach is also an excellent source of iron and calcium. Spinach will also help you in regularity. Guys, all these vegetables and fruits I'm using right here, they have similar benefits. Guys, you gotta do your research. So here I have the cucumber, wash, peel, and cut up. This is the spinach, already washed. Here's the celery, wash and cut up too. I peel the ginger, wash and cut it up also. So guys, the first thing I'll be putting in is the cucumber. Then I'll be putting in the spinach. I'm gonna go ahead and blend the spinach and the cucumber with no liquid. Guys, you see that? Cucumber and the spinach. And it's generated its own liquid right there. So now I'm gonna come in with the celery, because we're not gonna use no water in this juice. I'm just gonna come in with the ginger. The reason why I put the ginger in last, because the ginger doesn't have much liquid. So I put the ones that have more liquid first, because we're not using any water. So guys, now I'm gonna strain it. Look at that, guys. No water. And look at the amount of liquid you get. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some honey in, just for flavor. I'm not gonna make it too sweet. There you have it, my beautiful people. Guys, I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Guidance.
Mr. J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, you have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment. Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, you have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time. When you cook, all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there in the